Okay, the first phone cover that I got from Club Factory is this one. The name of the product was three-dimensional epoxy glitter love iPhone mobile cover case, and this was priced for rupees 213. And this is in color red. They even have a pink one. So that they have these hearts, really cute hearts with glitter in it. And it's a transparent case, and it looks really beautiful. I really love this one. I will definitely insert a screenshot of the product, how it looked on the website. The geometric couple phone case, and this is how it looks. This one was for rupees 235. It has a nice glitter thing. The next one is this one. This one was the Creative Bright Strips Soft iPhone case cover. This one was priced for rupees 293. Then the next one is this. This is the frosted black bottom small heart half-back anti-fall mobile phone case cover. This is a matte black cover which has pink hearts on it. And this one was for rupees 175. So the next one is this one. This one is the small fresh candy solid color iPhone mobile case, and this is in the shade light blue. This one was for rupees 173. This is just a plain solid color iPhone cover case. This one I got long back, so it's a bit dirty, so please ignore that. Then we have this is the red wine wave point printed iPhone cover case. This one for rupees 193, and they do have another shade in this, but I really love this one. It's just a plain matte with polka dots on it. Then we have this is one of my favorite. I love glitters. So this is the luxury glitter anti-fall shell Christmas shell for iPhone. This is in the color red, as you can see, and it's very glittery. This is how it looks from inside. This one was priced for rupees 208. I just love this one. I got this one for Christmas, and yes, this is my favorite till now. Then the last one we have is this. This is the Creative Small Love Panel phone case for iPhone in the color pink. This is a bit dirty because I got this very long back, and I just use it very much, and it's very dirty. This is the shade pink. They have another shade in it, I think the grey one. But I really love pink, so I just got this one. It has a cute heart here, and yeah, this was priced for rupees 310. So this is the Club Factory haul part 1, which included all the iPhone case covers that I own from Club Factory. There will be another video which will have some other general things which I got from Club Factory. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like my video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Till then, see you again.